What is going on, guys? It's your boy Bryan. Bro, I'm not that kind of YouTuber, so I just got a package delivered. If you guys didn't know, I currently use an iPhone 6. I finally got myself an upgrade. You know, my brother Africa's a bit slow in that, so we had to wait a long while. But my new phone is finally here. So I'm gonna pick it up, I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna tell you whether you should get the iPhone 12 or not, because it's kind of expensive, and I'm gonna tell you guys if it's worth it. I kind of want to start posting more on YouTube, maybe take over the YouTube game, you know the vibes. I might be doing vlogs, who knows. So I'm gonna get it from this guy, and then yeah, it's finally here. Like, what's in this box is worth like a lot of $100. Like, if I drop this right now, like no, yo guys, we back in the stew. You know the vibes in it, fam, man. Anyways, so we're gonna be reviewing a bunch of items today. So obviously we got the headline tick boy, the iPhone 12. We're gonna be unboxing this, and then I also picked myself up the iPhone 12 silicone case, so I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it. This was hella expensive, bro, like $90. And then we've got ourselves the USB-C power adapter. That's, can we get it into focus, bruh? That was cute. I also got sent this by a company. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. I'm pretty sure what this is. It's a portable charger or portable battery that can plug in multiple adapters. I'll leave the link in the bio if you want to pick it up. It seems pretty sick. We're gonna test it out too, see what it's about. So we're doing a little tech video. Who knew? Bryan knows technology in it. Alright, so we're not gonna mess around. Let's get straight into the new iPhone. Hey yo, what if I get finessed? I open this up and it's like an iPhone 4, bruh. Imagine I cut the phone. Why, it's kind of difficult though. It's kind of a struggle. So guys, little update. It's been about 15 minutes and I still can't get this box open. Like, do they not want me to get the phone, or look how clean that looks. Oh, daddy. Okay, so we'll leave this in here. Let's get rid of the box. Come on, Apple. Global warming. Come on, bro. Veganism, environment, care about it, bro. Have you heard of it? Top just comes off like that. The phone, look at that black finish, bro. You could look at that metallic fit, the Apple logo. You can see me recording right. Come on, bro. I got the iPhone 12, that's why it's got 2 cameras, and then whatever that thing is. I know what I'm talking about. I'm a pro. I know this stuff. Phone case. So they also have a cutout in the box here, as you can see there, to protect the camera. And look at that, it's got the, it just feels so good in your hand, bro. It's like a metallic, my fingerprints have already stuck on there. That's not good. It's edgy on the edges. That makes sense. Shut up, it does. But it's not like the iPhone 11 where it's curved. It's like the iPhone 5 design. It's like a comfortable size. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little big. The USB-C focus, the USB-C cable in the box. So you're gonna have to pick yourself up a USB-C to USB if you want to use it, or you're gonna have to pick yourself up one of these, one of those. This year you only get 1 Apple sticker. Apparently people collect Apple stickers like Holy 5. And then you've got this SIM card tool. Bro, I thought there'd be something secret inside here. Like, Apple, don't you want to slip your homie like $100? Like, this was expensive, bro. I mess with the back so much. It feels like we're gonna peel off the top now. Look at that, orgasmic. Give me that logo, baby. Give me that logo. You love to see it. The display is quite big, I'm not gonna lie, much bigger. You noticed once, ooh, that boot up was pretty quick. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this iPhone has like the biggest RAM out of all the iPhones, so everything should be much faster. And apparently this iPhone runs things so fast that there are no apps currently on the market that can fully utilize the speed, the pure speed of this iPhone. We've got hello in all the languages. You know, I be bilingual. Yeah, I speak English, African, American, and all that. You know what I'm saying? Australian, all that. I don't even... iPhone 12 silicone case. This was so expensive, man. Like, this better not only protect my phone, but like charge my phone as well. Like, not only charge my phone, but like if my phone like drops to the floor, it like should levitate for how much I paid for this. Like, this is crazy. Am I gonna struggle to open this box too, bro? Why are boxes my worst enemy? Guys, 9 likes and I'll fight the guy invented boxes. Again, no, $100, some cash back, please. So surprise, surprise, it's just a cover. It's got, ooh, what is that material? It's got the MagSafe circle over there. I didn't pick up the MagSafe charger because, let's be honest, that thing looks mad useless in it. Slide that bad boy in today. Yeah, look at that. It made a sound, and then it showed like the little circle MagSafe logo, so that's pretty sick. You can see how that looks at the back. It's got camera protection, so I'm pretty sure when you set your phone down, the camera pods don't touch. The moment I end this video, I'm gonna drop my phone. Watch me, I swear. I'm just that nigga. I'm just built like that. Let's finish this video before I drop my phone and I have to sacrifice an arm and a leg to Steve Jobs in his grave, just so I can afford the repairman fees. So this is just, it's a power adapter. I don't know what you want me to show you. I don't even know why you guys asked me to do this. Like, why are you looking at me like that? That's like, how much money, pay me back. Next we have the power brick that I got sent by Pecan Smart, link in bio. Hey guys, welcome to Bryan ASMR. Today we'll be popping bubble wrap. Anyways, let's rip this bad boy open. USB charger with mobile power, 2600 mAh, 6 USB charging jacks, can charge 6 digital devices at once with smart charging identification chips, which can quickly charge most of the products on the market. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds kind of premium. That's a slick design. That looks cool. And then this is what it looks like. So it's got all the USB connections in the back. Then it's got micro USB over there. Ooh, and then this is what it comes with. This is the power brick that it comes with. So it gives you a power brick or a portable charger, whatever you call it. These are the USB charging thingies. So it's a pretty sick, handy little kit thing that you can pick up for real cheap. There was no money in this either, so I guess that's the end of the video. A little disappointing, a little low on funds, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight. It's looking kind of rough for the future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and smash like if you did. But on a real note, guys, if this video gets 19 likes, I am resurrecting Steve Jobs from the grave and then fighting him in a boxing match for the undercard Logan Paul Floyd McGregor fight. Like, And I'm taking the W. So if you want to see that, make sure this video gets 19 likes. If you made it this far to the video, comment hashtag Africa got no drip so that I know that you're a real one. And other than that, boys, thanks for watching.